Today we're gonna show you how we put together our lamb kofta meatballs over spaghetti. Hi guys, Manny from Gourmet Takeaway. Today we're gonna show you how we make kofta lamb meatballs over spaghetti. First, if you like, we'll appreciate if you subscribe and join us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this, by doing that, that will enable us to bring you more info and recipes, ideas. Thank you. Okay, and for the spaghetti and kofta lamb meatballs recipes, you can find the written recipes on our either Facebook page or YouTube channel, and watch. We have different videos and recipes. One for the how to make the kofta meatballs, and one how to make the tomato sauce, and one how to make the sautéed mushrooms. That's what we are using with this video recipe for you this time. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so what we're gonna need is our spaghetti. We're using organic spaghetti, but you can use any brand you like. And here we have our tomato sauce already made. Also our sautéed mushrooms here with garlic and onions. And here we have our lamb meatballs already cooked. And all these recipes for the tomato sauce, the mushrooms, and the lamb kofta meatballs, all available on our YouTube channel, and also written recipes could be found on the YouTube channel or on our Facebook page. And here we have our grated cheese. We're using Romano cheese, but you could use any hard cheese you like. Here we have it in a strips, and here we have it fine. I like it in big strips like that, but others like it a little bit of a finer grade. Yeah, we're gonna put our sauce together now. We added the tomato sauce, and now we're adding the sautéed mushroom to it because that's the combination we're gonna need. We added our mushroom to our tomato sauce. Now we're gonna be adding our lamb meatballs already cooked, and we're gonna warm it up. We wanna warm everything together. Here we are. We have our boiling water, salted boiling water. Now we're gonna add our spaghetti to the water. Here we have our spaghetti cooking. We'll cook it according to the package instruction. And once in a while, you stir your spaghetti around while it's cooking. Okay, so if you like to add sauce and cook the spaghetti with your tomato sauce, what we could do is you cook the spaghetti about a couple of minutes less what the package says, and then you strain it and you add your tomato sauce and you cook it for about a couple of more minutes. And if you like a thinner sauce, you can add a little bit of the boiling spaghetti water to it. But If you want not to do that, you want to cook the spaghetti totally, completely, and then season it yourself, that'll be fine as well. Okay, we're gonna try the spaghetti to see if it is done. Okay, our spaghetti is done according to the package instruction. And we're not gonna add any tomato sauce to it. We're gonna be seasoning it individually this time. Okay, now we're gonna strain it. Okay, we're gonna divide our spaghetti. We are 3 people today, so we'll have it in 3 different bowls, and everybody will season his portion to his liking or her liking. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of salt to our spaghetti here. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit pepper. Gonna add a little bit olive oil. So we mix the spaghetti together to flavor it. Okay, now we're gonna add the spaghetti. The meatballs with the sauce to our spaghetti. Okay, here we are. Now we have beautiful serving our lamb kofta meatballs over our spaghetti. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you do it, let us know. And now we can add the cheese up to your liking, as much as you want. I like my cheese to be like strips, and other people like their fine.